Okay, this is video number 2. We've come down from the stack to the yard vent. We'll record backwards to the starting point. Again, we're in 6-inch clay. We're about to transition to 4-inch PVC where the repair has been made. The repair was actually a little bit longer than I thought last time, but it's all out of there. All the bad cast iron has been replaced with PVC. Starting there. Yeah, on the video they showed a small crack, but this is what, maybe a 10-foot run or so.
You said they had to go a little further.
Yeah, they had to go further than we thought.
And that actually, it wasn't the same stuff.
Yeah, than we thought. Yeah, the rest of this cast iron was in pretty good condition. And then we'll pick up to 4-inch again, 4-inch PVC. But yeah, they got it. Okay, this time we started here at the stack. And everything is in operable and serviceable condition from the house to the city main.